U2 Bolt Maker Board. U2 Bolt Maker Board is a portable, open-source hardware Arduino-powered maker board using the AMD Ryzen embedded V1000 SoC, and multi-core CPU with a mobile GPU architecture. The Bolt board has a top-speed CPU clock of 3.6 GHz including AMD SenseMe technology. The Bolt offers low power consumption of 12 to 25 watts and a set of learning and adapting features for energy efficiency. Some of these features include driving up to 4 screens at the same time in 4K resolution at 60 FPS, client-side 3D rendering, and AAA game handling. The Bolt Maker board allows flexibility by supporting both Linux and Windows 10 operating systems. On the Bolt Maker board is a 32 GB EMMC storage drive, and cable ports for USB 3.1, USB Type-C, Ethernet, and Sata connections, plus M.2 sockets for NVMe, SSD and wireless modules. The board is Arduino compatible, incorporating an Arduino and Leonardo compatible microcontroller, based on Amiga 32U4 with full compatibility to the Arduino IDE. Features: DirectX registered 12 technology OPENCL, OPENGL the Vulkan registered A.P.I, H.265 Decode and 8-bit Encode, VP90 code. 2x slot SO-DIMM dual channel 64-bit DDR4 2400MT/S with ECC support up to 32 GB. 32 GB EMMC 5.0 high-speed drive SSD SATA modules slot M.2 socket 2 GB 2260, featured also PCIe X2, NVMe modules slot M.2. Socket 3 key M2280, PCIe X4 Gen 3 interface, SATA 3 6-bit, S standard connector. Gigabit Ethernet Realtek TL8111G slot M.2 socket 1 key E2234 optional Wi-Fi, BT combo. 2x USB 3 Type A. 2x USB Type-C USB 3.1 Gen 2 DisplayPort alternate mode, dual role port, DRP, USB power delivery, USB PD, 3.0. 2x HDMI 1. 4 halves.0A2XDP alternate mode on USB Type-C. HD audio codec Realtek LC8885. Microphone plus headphone combo connector, TRRS. Pre-amplified stereo speaker connectors, up to 3 watts. Digital optical audio S, PDIF and analog stereo output combo jack 3.5mm connector. Front panel headers, IR receiver, fan controller, RTC battery included. Arduino Leonardo compatible, 12x analog inputs, up to 23x digital input, output, 7 PWM, 1x UART 1x 12C 1x SPI, 31 Grove. Connectors, 1x analog input, 1x UART or digital I/O, 1x 12C or digital I/O. Embedded controller I/O, 2x UART, 2x I2C, 1x SPI, 1x keyboard scan, 1x fan controller, 10x PO. DC and jack 19 volts use Type-C power in. 12cm x 12cm, 4.72x 4.72. U2 Bolt V3. AMD Ryzen embedded V12028. Dual core, quad thread 2.3 GHz, 3.2 boost. AMD Radeon Vega 3 graphics, 3 GPU CU. U2 Bolt V8. AMD Ryzen embedded V1605B. Quad core, 8 thread 2.0 GHz, 3.6 boost. AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics, a GPU CU. Applications: gaming, VR, AI, R,